In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add students in Kajabi step by step. This process is quite simple and will enable you to effectively manage your contacts within the Kajabi platform. So let's get started. First, we need to head over to Kajabi. If you haven't already, log into your Kajabi account through your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, our next step will be to navigate to the Contacts section. You'll typically find this section on the left-hand side of your screen within the main menu. Go ahead and click on Contacts. After clicking on Contacts, you'll see a submenu appear with a few options. Here, you'll want to click on All Contacts. This action will take you to a comprehensive list of all the current contacts in your Kajabi account. It's a good place to check who's already in your system, but today our focus is on adding new students. So let's keep going. Now that you're viewing the All Contacts section, the next thing you should do is click on Add Contact. This option is typically located towards the top of this section, making it easy to access. By clicking on Add Contact, a new window will open, requiring you to input some basic information about the student you wish to add. You'll need the student's first name, last name, and email address. Enter their first name in the designated field, followed by their last name in the subsequent field. Finally, make sure you correctly type in their email address, as this is essential for communication through Kajabi. Be sure to double-check these details to avoid any typos, which could lead to miscommunication or errors in contact records. Once you've entered the required information, go ahead and click on the Save button. This action will add the new student's details to your contacts list in Kajabi. It's always good practice to ensure everything is correctly saved before navigating away from this screen. To confirm that the student was added successfully, you can revisit the All Contacts section where we started. Simply check the list for the new contact's name and email to ensure they're now part of your system. And just like that, congratulations! You've successfully added a student manually to your Kajabi account. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident managing your contact list within Kajabi. Feel free to watch this video again if you need a quick refresher on the steps. Thank you for following along and see you in the next tutorial.